screen clearly. So I just shared on screen sharing option. So now can you guys able to view my screen clearly now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one second. So basically, I told you we'll discuss in detail about like a detailed data to summarize data. Detailed data means what? Complete data. Okay. I think someone have not picked up the call. That is the reason why this voice is coming. Okay. So now we'll see in detail about detailed data to the summarizer. So let's just open our table. Okay. Command prompt SQL plus slash no log. Okay. One second. Connect. Okay. Yeah, connect. So you can able to view my screen clearly now. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we are seeing now detailed data to summarize data, how exactly we are making. Okay. Connection. Sys as sysdba. One second. As sysdba. And then I'm typing sys. Okay. Now I'm typing here. I'm going to my table. Select star from JEWEL Joule. Okay. This is the table which have detailed data. For example, 122 to 1232 detailed data. Now I wanted to summarize in such a way. So what exactly I want to display? First, I want to display sum of salary based on job. Okay. Every job. Okay. Sum of salary. For example, like VAPT. How much is the sum of salary of VAPT? Okay. How much is the sum of salary of complete finance people? All different job. I want to do what exactly? Sum of salary of all jobs. How exactly I will do? I think I showed you about this one, right? You know this guy. So now let's just write a query now. Sum of salary of each cost. So select job, comma. Okay. Sum of what exactly I'm doing now? Sal. Okay. Sum of sal as. Okay. Sum of sal of each job. Okay, each job I'm putting like this. For example, okay, from which table? From our table name called Joule table. Okay, Joule. Now I told you there is one more clause. Yesterday I was telling group by clause. Okay, I will going to discuss you about the detail data to the summarized data. I told you yesterday that we'll discuss about the group by clause. So let's just go and open here. Okay, group by clause. This one we are discussing now. Okay, adding this group by clause here. Okay, grouping complete. Okay, now I'm putting here group by clause here. I'm using group by. What exactly I want to see here? I want to see here group by job. For example, if I want to put a job by job. Okay, now see here. Select job sum of salary. All sum of salary I'm adding all, and I'm putting a sum of salary of each job I want to see. From which table I want to see? From the Joule table. Group by, complete all the jobs. Okay, enter. What happened? Finance, if we take a 7,000 paid 800, how much is the sum of salary of each job? 7,000 plus 8,000, how much? Finance people are getting 1,500. Are you guys getting now what exactly I'm trying to do? PLSQL. How many PLSQL are there? There are PLSQL people too, right? 8,000 plus 6,000. How much? 14,000. Are you getting now? Shravanti, Amir, Mujahid bhai and all.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sum of salary of each job. Okay. Now, if I want to see count number of, okay, count total number of students, sorry, total number of employees. Okay. With respect to the job, how many employees are there if I wanted to calculate? For example, in PLSQL, how many people? Okay, in VAPT, how many people? In finance, how many people? How I will calculate? Okay, select. What is a select job, comma, count of. Okay, count of. Count sal. Okay, I am putting a sal. Okay, as total. Okay, total. Total number of student. Okay, total number of student. Okay, from Joule, Joule is our table, right? Okay, group by what? Based upon the job, we are finding how many, sorry, not number of student, number of employees. Okay, these are not number of student employees. Okay, number of employees. All these are employees, right? Okay, employees. Okay, group by what? Based upon the job, we are selecting how many people are we giving the salary. Okay, so now group by, GROUP, group space by. What is the example? Group by job, we are trying to segregate. Finance, how many people in finance? 2 people. Senior security analyst, only one guy. VAPT, 2 people. PLSQL, 2 people. Count it now and see in our table how many finance people are there. 1, 2. How many VAPT people? 1, 2. Senior security analyst, only one. Are you guys getting now? Mujahid bhai and all. Are you guys getting now? So we have displays based upon the job we have complete display. Similarly, if we want to display average salary on each department, average means suppose there are 2 people divided by 2. Suppose if there are 1 people divided by 1, how much is the average salary? Same thing I am putting here. For example, in place of count, I am putting here average. Okay, like this. Average means 15,000 divided by 2. How much? See, finance people, how many? How many finance people are there? There are 2 finance people, right? 7,000 plus 8,000, 15,000. 15,000 divided by 2, how much? Average? 7,500, right? Are you guys getting now?
Yeah.
Okay. If I wanted to see the maximum salary in each job, for example, let's just go on to this one. For example, one VAPT person is getting 5,500, other VAPT person is getting 9,000. So in each job, how many maximum salary the people are getting? Select job. What we are selecting? Job. In that job, what we are trying to select? Maximum salary we are trying to select. Okay. From which table? From JEWEL Joule table. What exactly we are trying to do it from the Joule table? Group by job, maximum salary, group by what exactly we are telling? Group by job. Okay. Finance maximum salary is 8,000. Security analyst maximum salary is 7,000. Senior analyst, see, VAPT, there are 2 VAPTs. VAPT means there are 2 VAPT. One VAPT is getting 5,500, other VAPT is getting 9,000. So maximum is, who is getting maximum now? Kishore is getting maximum now, right? 9,000. Any questions you are having?
No,
okay. Now,
no, sir.
Similarly, minimum. Minimum means minimum salary means simply put it like this here, minimum like this. 5,500 is the minimum for the VAPT. Any questions you are having in the group by clause? Any question in the group by clause? Mujahid bhai, Amir, any questions? Now we will see about order by clause. No, right? Okay. Order by clause. Okay. Order means, for example, I can put it in the order by clause. For example, I am selecting select ID, comma F name. Okay. Select ID, comma F name, comma last name from, for example, like a jewel table, JEWEL jewel table. Okay. Order by clause. I am using now what? Group by finish. Order by. Order by ID descending order. Ascending means we are getting in the ascending order IDs, right? Now I am putting DESC descending order IDs. 132 to 122. Actually, our table will be like this, right? As we already know, our table is like this. But I am getting like this. One second. One second. What? ID descending. If I wanted to put here ascending order, again I will get the same thing. But ascending we already have now. I'm just making this descending now. Okay, descending 1, 2, 3. Any question now? This is the order by clause. Any questions? Any question
No,
now?
sir. No.
So till here we have did here. You want to say like this clause and this clause. Any questions you are having?
No.
See, I don't want you to make it confused. I can write one more query, but don't make it more confused now. I'm just putting one query. Select job, comma ID, comma sum of sal. Okay, sum of sal. Okay, sum of sal as what exactly I'm doing now? As sum of salary I'm putting here like this. Okay, sum of salary from what exactly I'm doing now? From JEWS dual table. What exactly I'm trying to do? Group by job. Okay, group. One second. Group by. Okay, I'm using two clauses now. Group by and order by same thing. Group by job, comma ID. Two things I'm putting. Then order by, and then I'm using again two things I'm using in one. Order by one ascending, comma two descending. Sorry, one second. One second. For example, order by ascending, I'm putting here like this. One second, there is a mistake happened. Order by. Okay. Hello. Till here, I'm just showing you guys. Make an assignment till here now, and then we'll discuss rank, dense rank, dense rank cube, and then we will see about integrity constant. All these topics will discuss rank, dense rank, cube. Okay, and then we'll discuss about the integrity and the roll up command also. ROAP roll up command. Okay, we will discuss these command now. Integrity constant and these command we will discuss now. Okay, discuss on Monday. Till here, any question by clause and order by clause? I want the practical to be completed. Whatever I showed, I want the practical. Any questions? Any questions?
Okay. Okay.
Can you able to create and show it to me the complete, like a group by clause, having clause? Sorry, I have to discuss you the having clause also. That what we'll discuss on Monday here, having clause. Okay, having clause. That also we'll discuss. Okay, this topic we'll discuss on Monday. Okay, having clause, rank, dense rank, cube, roll up, integrity constants. All these topics we will discuss on Monday. Any questions so far yet?
No.
Okay, and one more command. I think I forgot telling you one more command. Pword command. Okay, pword command also we'll see on Monday. Okay, these topics we'll see. But I want you to complete now group by and order by clause because I can show it to you more, but I don't want you to get confused. Till here I showed you guys. Okay, right from the beginning, put it very clearly. Functions. Okay, functions. Tab, make a tab clearly. Functions, single row function and multi-row functions. Single row, what is it? String functions and multi-row functions. Okay, and then type group by, order by a having clause. Okay. This I want you to be complete. Any questions you are having? All of them. Mujahid bhai, any question?
No.
Okay, Amir, any question?
No, sir.
What about Shavanti? Any question? Shavanti, any questions? No. Okay, so till here I discussed. Next class will be on Monday. All of them send the assignment. Okay, and prepare for the assessment on Wednesday. Topics I have already emailed you. Cyber security topics. Six chapter. They will be assessment on Wednesday. All of them. Mujahid bhai, you also like footprinting, scanning, enumeration, whatever we have discussed just before the SQL injection topic. I want you to review those all things because real time questions I am going to ask on that topic. Okay, on Wednesday. Okay. Okay. Till here we discuss, and hopefully on 28th or 29th we'll discuss this about this SQL assessment. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, till here. Okay, this is it about today's class. I will take your class again on Monday. Okay, okay, man. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.